One humble fruit could help you fight infections, diabetes, and maybe even cancer. It's loaded with powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene. Every bite is like a superhero team entering your bloodstream, intercepting and neutralizing those pesky free radicals. So, did you know that guava has more vitamin C than an orange? Yep, it's like a turbo boost for your immune system. Your white blood cells get supercharged, ready to destroy bacteria and viruses on sight. Plus, it strengthens your respiratory tract and intestinal lining. But that's not all. Guava leaf extract may lower blood sugar levels. Imagine your pancreas releasing insulin and activating receptors on your cells, keeping that blood sugar in check. And let's not forget your heart. Guava helps clear those arteries and normalize your blood pressure. Now, here's the big one. Cancer-fighting potential. Lycopene and quercetin show promise in taking on those nasty cancer cells. Picture this: lycopene molecules binding to cancer cells, causing them to shrink or even burst while your healthy DNA gets repaired. But wait, there's more. Guava is rich in fiber and does wonders for your gut and skin. It keeps everything moving smoothly in your intestines and acts like a natural barrier against UV rays for your skin. Plus, it strengthens those collagen fibers, keeping you looking youthful. From your brain to your gut, guava is nature's healing gift. So next time you're at the store, don't forget to grab some guava. Subscribe to Decoding Life for more health talk and science facts. See you next time.